Hello once again. Wild Bill and JoJo. Sorry for my absence. Some troubles I just don't want to explain. But let's see what we can do again. Okay. Little rocky terrain. Okay. Wood's getting a little thicker. What can you do? A little thicker in the woods. Still no signs of anything besides mosquitoes. Now we got the railroad tracks off to the side of us here. That's an actual live line, so we don't walk down there. But I do see some history coming up. That definitely is an old rail line that came across this way. There's no second wall over on this side though. And it probably would have had to go in about this direction. Looks like a wall over there, denoting some sort of property line. Then strange rock formations over this way. I know, I point out all the interesting rock formations. That rock actually broke off of that little one there. It's cool. It's really cool over there. All right, hang on a second. More interesting rock. Hang on. That's a really nice rock formation over there. Oh! Sorry about that, I fell. Little orange flowers down there. Let's go across the makeshift bridge. Okay. Another wooden bridge. This one's a little sturdier than the last one. This time it's over the rocks. Even the brooks aren't flowing right now. There's nothing in them, so it really doesn't matter. Another cool rock formation. I mean, really cool. It's amazing how these get dug out. I think I'm being lazy. I didn't set up the tripod to show me walking up the top of this, but I had it with me. Just bear with me, people. Just re-getting my footing. Not bad. Pretty good view. Okay, more little brooks that cross over now. Oh, pretty little flowers over there. A little nature mixed into the video there. Walk through the brook on the rocks. And more big rocks. So far, lucky but unlucky, you know. We haven't found any real wild nature out here. Sorry about that so far. I mean, the potential is here where we're at. Just haven't found it. Deer out there somewhere. Hang on. I'm trying to find him. There he goes. There he goes. Young one. There's one right there. I don't know if you can make him out or not, but he's right there. All right, let's go this way. Cooking that way. That's probably the other trail. That white trail would have came in right there. That's exactly what would have happened. All right, let's see. That's more rock formations. No more deer or rabbit or anything like that, though. No more flowers. We're in the deep woods. That's just it. We're in the deep woods. Deep in the woods. So anything's possible. There's a marker right there. That's good. Let's keep going. I really like this spot right here. With wall formations for land markers. Definitely something was over there before. Something in that area. Strange trail. Well, definitely a property marker. I have to do a little research here. Here, the beginning stages of Mothra. I found a caterpillar. More rock formations. Pretty cool. Come on. Downhill. There's a cliff-like thing over there. That looks cool. Can't get a good video of it. Sorry, people. Wish I could get better on that. Okay. I don't know if I can. Let's find out. Oh, come on. Don't work. There's a frog down there if you can see it. I don't know. Is that back up? How do you call these cliff walls? They call this the Lost River, but I call it the Stinky River myself. But
you can see it over there too?
You probably can over there too. Pretty good view from here though.
Let's go over there. Why is it lost?
I don't know, but now we found it.
Out of the thing, maybe?
Okay, all this you can see was dug out by water, the same as that cave. That's a natural forming caves, not a mine. Even though I do know there are mines in Guilford. I've heard of the Guilford mines, but I don't know where those are. This is just cave. I thought there was another one over here. Well, that fell down. There might have been one there at the time. But there could be more up in there. Could be. Oh, oh, come on. Another interesting rock formation. I almost got hurt getting it though. Look at that. Life between two rocks.
Between a rock and a hard place.
Huh. Got it now. Yeah, we're not going to walk along it. This is slightly, oh my God. Found us a bad trip right now. Oh, I don't know where the heck we are now. Where are they? Ow, help. I'm being knocked around by everything here. Whew. Rocks, now the wooden bridge. And now we're through the swamp. Oh boy. Okay, we made it through the swamp. Sorry for the abrupt end to the video there. It's just, I guess my camera started to mess up because there were other clips that just aren't there. I mean, but I guess that's it for this adventure. Catch your next adventure. As always, treat everybody with kindness. And I will catch you in the next episode. And like I said, I'm not going to give you too much information on why I was asked for the month, except to state that it really wasn't my fault. Okay? Thank you. Please like and subscribe.